What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out derivative of cosine of 5 times sine of t over 3. It means that we need to find derivative of y with respect to t. Before I start solving it, I need to give you some kind of formulas. It's just a reminder. We know sine of x is, the derivative of sine x is cosine x. Derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. Derivative of sine u, if u is the function of x, is going to be u prime times cosine u. And derivative of cosine u is going to be negative u prime sine u. Now let's go back to the question. Cosine of 5 times sine of t over 3. If you want to find out the derivative, it's going to be something similar to this, which is going to be negative sine u t over 3 multiplied by u prime, which is going to be derivative of 5 sine of t over 3. Now we need to find out derivative of this part. 5 times sine t over 3 is going to be 5 times 1 over 3 times cosine t over 3. Now if you want to simplify it, it's going to be negative 5 over 3 times cosine t over 3 times sine of 5 sine t over 3. That's gonna be the final answer. So we cannot simplify it more than that. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need more practice questions. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding differentiation, integration, and other topics in calculus, chemistry, and physics. Thank you for watching and have a great day.